it's me. I'm back. I know it's been so long, but I'm gonna get better. But today I decided I'm gonna do a Indian healing clay mask for y'all. I just had some Pocahontas braids in my hair. I just took them out, combed my hair out, so I'm about to just hop into this video for y'all. Okay, so when you're doing this, I watched plenty of YouTube videos on how to do this. All of them said not to use any metal, so I have a plastic bowl and a plastic spoon. I also have apple cider vinegar and of course the clay. So I only have a little bit of apple cider vinegar, but I'm gonna try my best to make it do what it do. So first you want to open it. It's like a powder. Ooh. It's like a powder. And it doesn't have really a smell like that, but anyway, you pour it in here. I'm only do a little bit at a time because, like I said, I don't have that much apple cider vinegar. It says you can also use water, but all the girls on YouTube were using apple cider vinegar. So once you got that in there, I poured about like half a cup or maybe a cup. So then you want to pour apple cider vinegar in there. I want it to be kind of thin because I have really thick hair. So yeah, pour a little bit in at a time. It kind of sizzles. So then you want to stir it. Ooh, I wonder if y'all can see it smoking. Keep adding, keep stirring. Maybe I need more apple cider vinegar. For me. I also seen people use water. So maybe I should add water to this. I'll be right back. So unfortunately, I was not prepared to do this video or this mask because I ran out of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar. So, I can't talk. But I use water because it says you can also use water. It also says you can put an oil of your choice in here. So I might throw like some olive oil just so my hair will be moisturized. Ew, nasty. So just stir it up. I don't want the clumps in there. So this is my consistency. It's kind of watery, but it legit smells like clay. Ew. So I feel like I'm gonna need more. So I'm gonna pour some more in there. Oops. You can also use this on your face. So I made it clumpy again, so I'm gonna add some more water. So here I have olive oil. I'm gonna pour a little bit in there. Boop. Just a little bit. So first you want to wet your hair with hot water. I'm gonna start from the back and then I'm gonna work my way up. Boom. I'm cute. So then you want to wet your hair, and I changed my shirt, so I don't care about my hair getting wet. I mean my shirt getting wet. So you want to finger detangle. From there, I'm using my hands. Ew, it feels like pancake batter. So from there, you rub it in. Okay? Keep rubbing it in. Ooh, this is hard to rub in. You wanted to get it on every strand of hair. When other people was doing it, their hair was like curly right away, but I'm not having that same thing. It's actually making my hair straight. Like, I don't know if it will curl up later or what, but this is what it looks like for me. Then I'm gonna go to the next layer. Mind you, I'm going in like small sections, like straight across the back of my hair. It does not have to be perfect. I've seen other people like, they was like, ooh, parting it in sections, but look, I don't got all those utensils. But so I'm just working with what I got. My hair is actually really thick, so I'm not sure why it's taking so long to like curl up, you know, but we're gonna do our best in these streets. You dig? You dig? Mind you, you have to detangle your hair before you put this stuff in there. Because like, look, I'm trying to like pull my hair through, like pull my fingers, comb my fingers through my hair, and it's really hard to do that with this mask on. Get them edges, girl. Get them edges. Get them edges. I hope y'all can see. Okay. Next layer. Wet the hair. Next layer, work the hair. Mind you, I still got a whole bottle left of the powder. So like, people were saying they do this once a month. People say they use it as needed. So I mean, this is really fun. Like, I like the fact that it's so messy. Like, I feel like I'm sculpting with my own hair. Really fun project, something to do with your girlfriends. I just like this feeling. Like, I like planning this stuff. Like, this is all I got left, so I'm just scraping the inside of the bottle and putting the rest on my hair. My hair isn't used to stuff like this, so I know it should love it. Like, it should soak it up. And my hair is so weird. Like, some days it's thick, some days it's thin. You never know what you're gonna get out of this head. So I really want my hair to be consistent. I want it to be moisturized and just, you know, beautiful. And I'm not sure what type of hair I have. I know it's not quite 4. I think it's like a 3C. You know, people always, you know, trying to label their hair, but you know, I really don't care. I just want my hair to be healthy. You dig? Y'all dig. So because I did just take out some braids, well, Pocahontas braids, 2 braids, I did have a little like hair left over, you know, but nothing too major from me like combing through my hair, finger combing through my hair. Nothing too major, you know, it's gonna happen naturally. But here's what I look like. I'm gonna show you the back of my hair as soon as I put this bowl down. So here's what I look like. Like a little bald headed scally bag. You ain't got no hair in the bag. So you see, I just wrap my hair up. It's like a mold almost. So I'm gonna leave my hair alone for a good 30 minutes. I look a mess right now, but baby, I'm still cute. I'm still cute. And can't nobody tell me nothing. Cause my men like it. Alright, so yes. Look, it's really sticky. Alright, so I'm about to let this sit. I'll be back after I wash it out. So stay tuned. So I really liked it. It really made my hair defined and whatnot. I think I have 3C hair and it just made it more loopy on the bottoms, you know. So now I'm gonna try to do a wash and go. I never done a wash and go before. Well, actually I have and it didn't work. So hopefully it works this time and I'll get back at you. I'll take pictures and put them here.